And today we're unboxing a 15-inch MacBook Pro case, and it's from ProCase. Here's the front. Here's the back. Now let's start opening it. So this is how it looks, and this is the pocket. Now let's put the MacBook Pro 15-inch. Now let's close it.
Now let's show if it is completely snug. Yep. Right? How much room does it has after putting? This is 2012 MacBook Pro. So it can fit this, or it can also fit the new one, which is the thinner one. I think it has a little bit room here, so even 17-inch can come. Let's close this.
So here's the pocket to put the charger.
So if you can maybe probably put the charger in there, the mouse. So let's see. So enough room to put the charger and the mouse in there. So this is good. Now you can carry it. So we were looking for some quick and simple, easy carry sleeve for MacBook. This looked like a great option. Good fabric, good cushion. It's not sturdy like if you drop it or something, but that's not the purpose we bought it for. But it's good quality. Everything looks good.
Thank you for watching our video, and give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Bye.